lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? I'm not scared of lions and tigers and bears, but I'm terrified of TikTok. It's a scary place. Never go alone in there, because you never know what you're gonna come across. You can be mindlessly browsing through some TikTok videos and boom, the next thing you know, you're pouring a bucket of foundation on your face, trying that new foundation hack that popped up on your feed. Not your feet, your feed. I'm not judging, I'll be trying it out too in a while. We've all heard phrases like the power of love or the power of makeup, but TikTok is over there being like, hey, what about the power of nose contour? That's still technically the power of makeup, TikTok, but I'm listening. Here, check this out. In this TikTok video, we can very clearly see how powerful nose contouring can be. You can make it appear slimmer. We've been doing that for years, but here's where it gets interesting. You can also make it look curved or even wavy. Whoa, oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. They were not supposed to know we can shape shift like that. This is how my bare nose looks. Not this kind of bare nose. And this is my nose after he's been drinking slim tea. It's slimmer now. I don't know if you guys can tell. Nose contouring is like cooking for me. I don't know how they do it. It's a mystery. A skill I haven't mastered yet. And probably never will. How do they do it so seamlessly? This only looks good if I'm looking straight to the camera. But if I turn to the side, it's getting a little obvious that I've been doing stuff to my nose. My nose looks dirty. I might be allergic to nose contour. Let's try out the curvy one. Ooh, I'm so excited for this one. It works! If I'm a little bit out of focus, it's even more convincing. This is awesome. I mean, if I turn to the side, it looks horrible. I really wanted to try out the wavy one, and oh my god! This is messing up with my head. It looks like my nose is made out of Play-Doh, and I just pushed it, and it stayed like that. Which nose is your favorite? Bare nose, slim tea nose, curved, or wavy? I feel like I'm one of those video game characters that you can customize and change their face features. Like maybe give myself huge eyes or a very large mouth. Oh. Alright, that's enough. Let's move on. Listen, I want to confess something. I feel like I'm gonna be judged if I say it out loud, but I'm gonna be brave and say it anyways. If eyeliner had a face, I would have punched it. With love. Always. Always, always, always. Eyeliner is amazing, except for those days when it's not coming out the way you want it to come out, which is like 99% of the days. Eyeliner is the best day ruiner, mood ruiner, everything ruiner. However, this video shows us how you can fix your eyeliner without smudging it, without creating a huge mess. You just need some tape, stick it, unstick it, and boom, you can start over again. Fresh, clean, as if nothing ever happened. I wish I could erase some other mistakes that I've done using tape like this. Stick it, unstick it, bye-bye. It feels like I'm about to wax off my eyeliner. It worked? Almost. Some of it is still there, but most of it is gone. Maybe if I try one more time. I'm gonna say it's working. Attempt number 2. Boom. Stick, 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 stick. I mean, it's kind of working. I want to do a little experiment. What if I use one of these? I don't know how they're called, but they're actually meant to go on the skin. So let's find out if it works with them too. Ow! 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 That was painful. This was supposed to be way more gentle than tape. It felt like I was ripping off my eyelid. 1 star. I don't recommend it. It's painful and it doesn't work. I would say this seems like a solid hack. But for me, it's not as easy as they show it in the video. They just stick, unstick, and it's gone. For me, it takes maybe 3 attempts. I just need to try again and again and maybe one more time. And since we're on the topic of eyeliner...
Do you struggle with eyeliner?
Always.
I've got the best hack.
Well, that's a bold claim, but I'm all ears. Basically what she does is she's applying a little tiny dot on her finger with an eye pencil, and then she's using it to create a wing. I don't want to get very excited because I don't want to get very disappointed, but hear me out, I think that this might work. In one of her other videos, she said that you can also apply that dot directly on your eyes and then use your fingers to smudge it into a wing. I don't want to gasp, but I feel like gasping. It worked! It worked! It worked! Surprisingly, this hack works, and I can't believe I'm gonna say it, but yes, it's one of the best eyeliner hacks I've ever tried, and I've tried so many of them. At the beginning, it took me a few tries until I fully figured out how it works, but it's actually a little mind-blowing how easy it is. You can get it right, it's not that difficult. It's not rocket science, it's eyeliner science, which I don't know why, but sometimes it feels like it's way more complicated than rocket science. Remember, my friends, practice makes perfect. That sounded exactly like when Oscar is sneezing. Perfect. And I'm sure that there will be people like, I've been doing my eyeliner like this for years. That's not something you should be bragging about. Why you've been keeping it a secret for so long? I approve it, everyone approves it, it's awesome. I love it, it's a 10 out of 10 from me. Hey, what if I told you you can simply blink and have a beautiful pair of false lashes on? I don't know, TikTok. Try it. Maybe I'm forgetting something. Here, check this out. Oh my god. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is uncomfortable 1,000. Wait, hear me out. Before you try it out, just consider the fact that there is a chance you might glue your eyes shut. Yeah, and what if you get glue in your eyes? What if the lash sticks on your eyeball? Yeah, these are all things that I haven't thought of until now. You guys are horrible. There's just one thing I want to say. What if it works? And this, my friends, is a perfect example of how a bad idea is being born. I don't know why I'm clapping. I'm trying this out at my own risk. Oh, God. Don't blink. Do it. How does it look? Let's try again. Okay, it's stuck now, so I guess it worked. See? It's not going anywhere. Oh, it's actually going somewhere. Come on, it gotta work. It's just sticking under my eye. Out of all the things I thought would happen, this was at the end of the list. Why must I be naive like that? I don't get it. My lower lashes are completely stuck on my skin. It feels very uncomfortable. Listen, technically, I have my lash on. It's stuck on my eye. I can clearly see it. It's just that it's not in the right spot. We all get confused sometimes. Listen, if I have my eyes closed, it looks like I have my lashes on, so it works. Lash on, lash off. Lash on, lash off. 10 out of 10 from me. But only when I have my eyes closed. Come on, I had so high hopes for this one. So high hopes. And it betrayed me. Maybe it's my eye shape. Maybe it's not my eye shape. TikTok, you got anything to say about this? Yes, of course, I always have something to say. Do you want to try out butterfly lips next? Butterfly what? Lips! Come on. There is this new thing on TikTok called butterfly lips, and oh my god, it's kinda awesome. Kinda. They come in all different colors. Red, blue, purple, yeah, even that one. But I think that the most popular one is this one, the red one. 19 million views! Oh my god! That's a lot of people. All we need is some glitter, a lip gloss wand, some butterflies, duh, and a clear lip gloss. Mix, mix, mix everything together and ta-da! Now there is a tiny little baby problem. I don't have butterflies. I think they've gone extinct because I couldn't find butterflies anywhere. However, I have some hearts. So technically we'll be doing heart lips. And I'm going purple, baby, because I like purple. Listen, the glitter is nice. I don't know about the hearts. Yeah, not great, not great. But I think I know how to make it great. What if we make confetti lips? Confetti lips? I'm confused. The recipe is the same, I'm just using different ingredients. Instead of hearts, this time I'm gonna use some confetti. Well, this also kind of looks like mermaid scales. Still confused, but I'm here for the confetti. On a scale of 1 to mermaid, this looks like a fish who got a glitter makeover from a toddler. That's me, I'm the toddler. And the fish. This looks so cool when I'm talking. You can't stop looking at my lips because they're so blingy blingy. Mwah. Shiny things look so much better when they're out of focus. Look at that. Forget about all the fails so far, because I'm about to fail in a whole new way. How about we play with some silver glitter? Mix, 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 mix. And look what I have. Ooh, what if we put some of these silver little bows inside the lip gloss? And Ta-da! If there is one thing that I excel at, I'm actually the best at this. It's I'm coming up with brilliant ideas that tend to not be very successful. Because I thought the little balls would just float in the gloss, but instead they're sinking to the bottom because they're heavy. Titanic, baby. You can never go wrong with the classics. Needless to say, it's impossible to get the silver bows on my lips this way. I have to do it manually. They're just sliding off my lips. Oh no, this is a disaster. This is a disaster. I should have tried this with sprinkles. At least I would have not been afraid of swallowing them. Oh my god, they're everywhere. The little balls are everywhere. So yeah, kids, don't try this at home. Leave the makeup experiments to the professionals, to the ones who can handle disasters. Is that me? I don't think that you can handle it, but I like the confidence. So you remember that foundation hack that popped up on your feed earlier? Oh, that doesn't look good. I think you need to go get it checked. Anyways, jokes aside, everyone is talking about it right now. It's very trending and it's also very intense. There are so many steps that we need to follow. But first, we're gonna start off with some cream. Yes, moisture. My skin likes moisture. I think this is some kind of an oil. I'm just gonna improvise, but do it the Instagram way.
The foundation technique also works a lot better when you have no hair on your face.
Hold on, let me just take my tool. It's a little rusty. Oh, that's perfect if I want to shave off my eyebrows by accident. My dog watching me shave my face like...
That's suspicious. That's weird.
Side-eye. Side-eye. My legs might be hairy, but my face is so smooth. It's kind of scary.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I think that she's using about 10 pumps of foundation. 1. Nope. And I'm running out of this. Maybe a little more. Why not? Am I scared? Yeah. That's so much. Oh, send help. It's sliding down my nose and it's kind of tickling. Oh, stop it, foundation. Oh. Alright, it's time for the big moment. Here we go, guys. Oh, it just feels like I'm applying a thick cream on my face. It doesn't feel like foundation, but it looks like foundation. So we're covering eyebrows and everything.
This is literally the most satisfying part of my routine. Smooth right over the eyebrows, just how you guys like it.
I mean, the coverage is flawless.
Also, I've seen a lot of you guys try this technique without wearing a headband. Please do not do that.
Oh, that was information I was supposed to know 2 minutes ago. Baby, you got me like... I look like boiled chicken.
The whole reason I love using my hands is because the warmth blends everything together.
This won't work for me then. There is no warmth in my hands. They're always cold. Ice, baby. Okay, beauty blender, do your magic. Come on, beauty blender. Absorb everything. The foundation already set into my skin and it's all sticky and very hard to blend. Can you see it? I feel like I'm trying to blend it out with a sticky note. We're going bananas over here. See? Bananas. Contour is your good acquaintance, but...
Blending is your best friend.
Yeah.
Now, I know it may feel scary and look scary, but trust the process.
I trust no one, especially the process. Have you seen the process? Blend. Okay, now I'm slowly starting to turn from a boiled chicken to an egg. Time is going backwards over here. We're also going to add some cream blush. Blush is kind of saving it.
Now, powder is the most crucial step to the technique.
I have that powder, so I guess I'm setting the whole face with it. Oh wow, it looks so smooth. Okay, cool. I feel like I have face on my makeup, not makeup on my face. That's a lot of makeup, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot. This is so flattering on my face. My face looks very flat. That's what I mean. I look like I have 2 eyes and teeth. That's all that you can see. Next, we're going on with some powder bronzer. Get it in the hairline. Get it in the hairline. I know it's not 2016, but oh my god, highlighters are awesome. Okay, so I guess that's all. She's then moving on to the eye makeup, to the eyebrows. But if you guys come closer, she was 1000% right. This does not look good if you have any kind of facial hair. My upper lip hairs, the mustache, completely exposed. The situation inside my nose is absolutely horrific. My nose hairs are covered in makeup. It's not as bad as I expected it to be. And I think that the one thing that saved the situation is this little friend over here. It absorbed so much of that foundation. It's full of foundation right now. Like if I squeeze it, ooh. Oh, I might have missed a spot. If you guys find a hack on the internet that you think that I should try out, send it to me. It's free. I'm not charging. You guys find some awesome stuff out there. How do you do it? How do you do it? Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, I think you might also like this one over here. Or if you want to see me cook, click on this one. It's been a month and I'm still eating the pickles that I bought for this video, so you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!